Anthony and Dushan, you've 9.5 hours. I just wondered if you could talk us through whether you kind of came here with a game plan for what you wanted to do, or if you kind of just come up with the idea from scratch when you started at midday today. What did you kind of decide to do once you were here?
Okay, what we have done is we have a game plan before we came here. We are looking for a solution towards a problem that we are facing in our business, and therefore we have come with this game plan. We brought the tools that are required to get this solution up and running, and we plan to get this working by morning tomorrow.
So you definitely came with some kind of game plan. Has it changed as the day's gone on? You've been talking to other developers, or they've been doing some sessions during the day, learning other things. Has it changed a lot since then?
We haven't changed it much, though. We've been tweaking it along the way, especially on the presentation front.
Okay.
The presentation layer, we've been tweaking it a bit. But otherwise, we are trying to stick to our approach and as we had planned before we...
Okay, and can you tell us what the actual problem is that you're trying to find a solution for?
This is a solution for online travel agents. The challenge in the industry today is that the airlines are actually giving fares to travel agents which are not in the system. So we call these negotiated fares or net fares. Now, when we do shopping online, these fares are not picked up because it's outside the system. So what we are doing here is to take our customers' database and import that into the system. So we're writing a middleware which would talk to the customer's database or the net fare database, take this fare and port it into our shopping engine, shopping or fares engine, so that when end consumer does a search, they will be able to see all these fares.
Sure. It sounds like quite a complex solution that you're building for an even more complex problem. I mean, and you're going to do this in 24 hours then?
So what we are not reinventing the wheel, because the shopping engine is already available.
Yes.
We're just doing a middleware which will import from the customer's database into our existing database. So this middleware is the complicated piece which we're trying to figure that out.
Okay, and you're confident that you'll finish within the 24 hours?
Yeah, because there are lots of complexity, starting from the simple one to the complex one. So we are just starting with the simple one that we are able to show that yes, we can do this. It's mainly a logic.
Okay.
Yeah, because there are lots of fares, complexity, one way, trip, round trip, routing restriction, flight applicability restriction. So we can do all these things within 24 hours.
Okay.
But we can do the basic of that.
Sure.
What is the fare, round trip fare?
What about being this in like a hack day environment? Does that make it easier because you're solely concentrating on something like this, or is it just kind of exciting the fact that you're doing it like this?
I think it's more the excitement that we are doing it in an environment like this where all experts are involved, and if we need help, it's not far away. We can just walk by, and in our normal work environment is not the same.
Okay.
We have to depend on books, codes, online websites.
Yeah.
This is, we have a lot of experts around.
Okay, brilliant. Well, good luck, Dushan and Anthony, and maybe you'll win tomorrow. We'll find out.
Thank you.